Morning, my dear students and my dear friends. This is Sudhir and welcome you all on today's class. And now we are moving towards the next chapter. And the next chapter is chapter number 11, which is a time. Okay. So it is available on page number 162. So dear students, it is the last chapter of standard fourth. And there is one good news, and that is what? We have already learned about the time in standard third, and now we will learn about the AM and PM. What is AM? What is the PM? Then we will learn about the 24 hours time. That means a clock of 24 hours. Then we will proceed ahead for how to calculate a time of any event. That means we will start with the starting time, that is initial time. Let us suppose that any event is occurring and you have to count the time duration of that event, so we will understand. Okay. And in this chapter we will understand about the time duration as well as about the calendar, that means counting of days, how to count a days. In this chapter we will learn all those things, all these things. Okay. So before starting the chapter, let's understand about the basic things about the time. Okay. So what is the time? Time is means what? There is a measurement. If you want to measure the time, there is a different units. Okay. There is a different unit to measure the time. So the I can see that we have already learned one thing. What we have learned? uh yes, that is 1 year. 1 year, if you want to measure 1 year, that is equal to 365 days. Okay. Or it is 366 days if it is a leap year. That means एक दिन और बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है. Then we have learned a 1 day in one single day. That means if it is a Friday or a Monday, so the Monday will be Monday up to till 24 hours. Okay. 24 hours, that means a 1 day is of 24 hours. Now I will say that a 1 hour, in 1 hour there is a 60 minutes, there is a 60 minutes. Okay. And each minute have a 60 days, sorry, 60 seconds. Okay. Each minute, that means 1 minute, a 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, that means we have already learned about that. We have already learned about that, and that is what? A 1 minute is equal to the 60 second. Then if it is a 60 minutes, then it is equal to 1 hour. If it is 24 hours, then it is a 1 day. And if there is a 365 days, that is equal to 1 year. Okay. Then we have learned about the clock and watch. That means there are 12 hours. Okay. It is a simple watch. Let us suppose that there is a watch. अगर आपको पता है कि watch है, so in this watch there is a 12 numbers. There is a 12 numbers, that is 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, here is the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, here is 10, and here is 11. So in this clock there is a 12 numbers, and these 12 numbers are actually representing the hours. Okay. ये जो 12 numbers है वो घंटों के लिए हैं. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, these 12 numbers are representing hours. Okay. Now we have already learned one thing, that there is a 5 small divisions. There is a five small lines in between each two numbers. दो numbers के बीच में start 5 lines है, and that is indicating the minutes. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. At the fifth division, there is a number. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So dear student, listen carefully. These are the 60 divisions. Division का मतलब होता है partition करना. Okay. We are dividing let us suppose that what is this? This is a number 12 to 1. Okay. There is a 5 small parts for each hour. Okay. सबके 2 घंटों के बीच में 5 small lines है. And these are indicating for minutes. Okay, again I am repeating 12 numbers. Okay, these 12 numbers are representing hours. These are these are representing hours. Then the 60 division, that means a 60 small line, are representation for the minutes. Okay, these are 60 minutes. So when, okay, ये हो गए minutes. Then we have learned about the what we have learned, hour hand and minute hand. Okay, in standard third we have learned about the minute hand and the that hour hand. So we have learned that a smaller hand, a small hand is a hour hand, and this is a minute hand. A big hand is for minute hand. Dear students, if the minute hand rotate one time, if there is a one rotation completed, then it is equal to 1 hour. That means the minute hand covers the 60 minutes, then the hour hand will shift from one number to another number. That means कितना बार 24. If the hour hand is rotating one time, that means in each 12 hours, हर 12 घंटे में आपका जो आपका आर हैंड है वो पूरा रोटेशन कंप्लीट करेगा. एंड द मिनट हैंड विल रोटेट इन एवरी 60 मिनट्स. मिनट हैंड जो आपके क्लॉक का एक चक्कर पूरा कर लेगा व्हेन द 60 मिनट्स विल बी कंप्लीटेड. ओके, नाउ वी हैव लर्न वन थिंग. एक चीज और हम लोगों ने पढ़ी है, दैट मीन्स हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज द नंबर, सॉरी, हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज द टाइम and minutes, and how to read and write the time in standard third. Okay, and standard third हम लोगों ने और क्या चीजें पढ़ी है, देखो ध्यान से. Let us suppose that is a clock. इसी को ले लेते हैं. So the portion, so dear student, it is a right side. Okay, this is a right side of the clock, and this is a past. This is a past side, and this is a to side. If your minute hand, again I am repeating, if your minute hand is towards the past side, that means if the minute hand is present towards what, or in the area of left, or sorry, right hand side area of the clock, then it is a past. So here we will understand how many minutes are passed of how many minutes are passed in that hour. वही जो टाइम अभी चल रहा है, let us suppose that if the 4 o'clock is there and 4:05 हो गए, that means what, after the 4 o'clock 5 minutes are passed, 10 minutes are passed, 15 minutes are passed. Listen one thing, जब भी 15 minutes आता है, as you can see here, that is a 15 minutes, 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is a 15 minutes. जब 15 minutes होते हैं तो हमारा जो क्लॉक का है, ये जो क्लॉक है, as you can see here, it is looking like a quarter, so we can say that it is a 15 past. आपका जो क्वार्टर है पास्ट वाले साइड में है, so we will say that it is a 15 minute past or a quarter past. Okay, if the minute hand is on 6, so we will understand that it is a 30 minutes, that means 30 minutes are past. So here we can write half past, क्योंकि जब आपका मिनट हैंड 6 पर होता है तो ये जो क्लॉक का है हाफ पोर्शन कंप्लीट कर लेता है, दैट मीन्स 30 मिनट्स कंप्लीट हो जाता है इन दैट आवर. So we can write it is a half past. Okay, and if your minute hand is moving towards the left hand area, if it is in left hand side of the clock, अगर left hand side में left side में है, so here we will understand how many minutes are left over for the next hour. अगले घंटे के लिए कितने मिनट्स बचे हैं. Okay, so this is a past side, this is a to side. Okay, and I will send the PDF for that, don't worry about that. And so let's move towards the warm-up questions on page number 162. And there is some mistake in this book में एक जगह mistake है, print mistake हुआ है, so we have to understand that also. So everyone, please open the page number 162, and on the page number 162 there is a heading, that is a time. Okay, so warm-up questions है. अब वार्म अप क्वेश्चंस में हम लोगों को क्या लिखना है, वी हैव टू राइट द टाइमिंग. ओके, सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. नाउ एज यू कैन सी हियर इन द फर्स्ट क्लॉक, इन दिस क्लॉक विच इज द फर्स्ट क्लॉक, द आवर हैंड इज एट 1 एंड इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली एट 1, इट इज जस्ट 1 के थोड़ा सा आगे चला गया है. ठीक है, So the hour hand is at approximately 1 and the minute hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 4. So when the minute hand is at 4, that means the 20 minute is done. That means 20 minutes are past. 20 minutes past में चला गया है after the 1 o'clock. So we can write a time in two ways. We can write the time in two ways. दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. First of all, we will write the hour and minutes. Okay, that means 1 hour 20 minutes. If you want to write the time in words, how can we write it? We can write 20 minutes past after 1 o'clock. That means 20 minutes past 1. Similarly, we will solve these questions and अभी मेरे साथ solve करिए, ठीक है? So in the question number 2, here we can see that what we can see, a minute hand is at 9. The minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is going towards the 5. वो 4 को क्रॉस कर चुका है, अब ये 5 की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहा है. ओके, सो वी हैव लर्न वन थिंग. इफ द मिनट हैंड इज टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड, दैट मीन्स वी विल राइट द टाइम जो आने वाला टाइम है वो. ओके, सो हियर द मिनट हैंड इज टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द क्लॉक, दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट टुवर्ड्स द पास्ट साइड. अब ये 2 वाले साइड में है, TO2 वाले साइड में है. सो हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द टाइम इन फिगर. सो इट इज 5 o'clock हो गया क्या? नहीं, 5 बजे नहीं है, अभी 4 ही बजा है. सो वी विल राइट हियर 4 o'clock. After the 4 o'clock, it is 45 minutes. We have learned that in between the two numbers there is a 5 minutes. So it is okay. So 1 to 9. When the minute hand is crosses, जो 9 वाला है, that is a 45 minutes. Okay, so here we will write 4 hours and 45 minutes. But now if you want to write the time in words, we will understand that we have to write how many time is left over for the next hour. जब आपका मिनट हैंड इस घड़ी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, यानी कि इस साइड में आ जाएगा, तब हम लोग आने वाले टाइम की बात करेंगे. इफ यू वांट टू राइट इन वर्ड्स दैट टाइम, क्योंकि अब क्या होने वाला है, आफ्टर द 15 मिनट्स, डियर स्टूडेंट लिसन केयरफुली, दिस इज अ क्वार्टर एंड वी कैन राइट अ क्वार्टर टू द नेक्स्ट आवर, क्वार्टर टू द नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, टू में हमेशा नेक्स्ट वाली बात करते हैं और पास्ट में पिछला जो चला गया वो. ठीक है, सो हियर एज यू कैन सी इट इज अ क्वार्टर टू, क्वार्टर बचा है, क्वार्टर पोर्शन बचा है फॉर व्हाट, फॉर द 5 o'clock. सो यू कैन राइट 15 minutes to 5 और यू कैन राइट क्वार्टर टू 5. ठीक है, मैं फिर से लिखता हूं 15 minutes. अच्छा दिख नहीं रहा होगा, जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute. Give me a 1 minute, okay? Now it is visible properly. Okay, so it is a 15 minutes to 5 and we know that for a 15 minutes we can write quarter. So we can write quarter to 5. Okay, for the 5 o'clock the quarter portion of the clock is left over, बचा है. ठीक है, now let's move towards the third question. And in the third question, the hour hand is in between the 7 and 8. The hour hand is in between the 7 and 8 and the minute hand is exactly at 6. So जब वो 6 पर होता है तो हम लोग past में ही count करते हैं. That is a half past. After what? After this 7 o'clock. Okay. When the minute hand is at 6, जब आपका minute hand 6 पर जाएगा तो आपका hour hand दो numbers के बीच में रहेगा. It will exactly in between the two numbers. Okay, so now let's move toward the question number 3 and the question number 3 is what? Here we will write 7 hour 30 minutes. After the 7 o'clock the 30 minute is done. Okay, but if you want to write in words, how can we write? We will use a half past 7. Okay, half past 7. Instead of half you can write 30 minutes past 7. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो 13 minutes past 7. Okay, now let's move toward the question number 4 and in the question number 4 the hour hand is in between the 9 and 10. Okay, अब वो 10 पे जाने वाला है and the minute hand is towards the left hand side. That means here we will not अब यहाँ पर पास्ट वाली बात नहीं करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पर आने वाले टाइम की बात करने वाले हैं, दैट मीन्स 2 वाले साइड में है। सो हाउ मेनी मिनट्स आर लेफ्ट ओवर फॉर द नेक्स्ट आवर? लेट्स काउंट। 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 20 and 25. So 25 minutes are left over. But first of all, we will write the time in figures as here 9 hour and 35 minutes. And if you want to write in words, we will write like this. That is a 25 minutes 2 for जब भी हम लोग 2 की बात करते हैं तब हम लोग आर हैंड के आगे वाला नंबर लेते हैं। आर हैंड के आगे में 10 है, ठीक है। सो हियर वी विल राइट 25 मिनट्स फॉर द 10 o'clock, ओके। एंड सिमिलरली हियर वी कैन राइट इट इज 3 hours 50 minutes. And dear students, the minute hand is towards the minute hand is towards the minute hand is towards towards what? टू साइड। आपका जो मिनट हैंड है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, ठीक है। सो हियर वी विल राइट 10 minutes 10 minutes to 4 10 minutes to 4, okay। Now let's move towards the okay towards the matched pair, okay। So as you can see here, it is a 9 hour and it is not 9 hour, it is 8 hour। अभी 9 बजा नहीं है, अभी 9 बजे नहीं है। So as you can see here, it is 8 o'clock, and after the 8 o'clock, the 50 minute is done. That means it is a 10 minutes to 9 o'clock. 10 मिनट बचे हैं 9 बजने के लिए। 2 में हमेशा नेक्स्ट नंबर का बोला जाता है, and if you are asking about the past, then we will understand. Then you always remember that the minute hand is towards the right hand side. Right hand side में past, left hand side में 2, ठीक है। So it is 8 hour 50 minutes. 8 hour 50 minutes. So join it, 8 hours and 50 minutes. And if you want to write in words, so it is a 10 minutes to 9 o'clock. So it is a 10 minutes to 9 o'clock. 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 And here is a mistake, and that is a 10 minutes to 9, ठीक है। यही आपकी मिस्टेक है, ठीक है, okay। Now let's move toward the next question, and in the next question you can see a minute hand is on 3 and the hour hand is at 7. जब भी आपका minute hand 3 पर रहता है, that is a 15 minutes, that is a 15 minute past। past मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूं because it is towards the right hand side of the clock, okay। So it is a 15 minute past 7, या फिर हम लोग ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं कि it is a 15 minute past 7, है ना। So it is a 7 hours and 15 minutes। 7 hour and 15 minutes, 7 hour and 15 minutes. So I will join with 7 hour and 15 minutes in the figure. And if you want to write in the words, so here we will write a quarter past 7. Quarter past हो चुका है after this 7 o'clock. Okay. Now let's move towards the fourth one, and अब ये तो बहुत easy है, जो बचा है वही आएगा। It is a 10 o'clock. After the 10 minutes, it will be at 10 o'clock. 10 बजने के लिए 10 मिनट बचे हैं। That means we will take as a 10 minutes to 10 o'clock। जब 2 आता है तो नेक्स्ट आवर की बात होती है, ठीक है। एंड इट इज 9 hours 50 minutes, okay। 9 hour 50 minutes। So I hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching the video up to till now. In the next video we will understand about the next questions. Have a good day.